Yeah, we are in the place to be.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to A Cup of Chic. So today's video I'm going to be doing a kind of what's in my suitcase and tips and tricks for fitting in a carry-on, as well as things that I like to bring when going on vacation so that I can fit in the carry-on, all stuff like that. So if you want to see all of that, then just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I like to start packing days in advance. I like to slowly pull things from my closet that I want to wear, that I want to incorporate, maybe a bag that I really want to wear, and I hang them on this rack, and I lay out all my shoes, and I bring out everything that I need, and I do this kind of over a matter of a few days, and that way I can see if I have a cohesive color palette and make sure everything goes together, so that when I get to my destination, I already have outfits picked out all together, and I know everything works together, and it'll just look nice throughout the whole vacation. Then once I have picked everything and I know for sure that this is everything I want to bring, then I take them all off their hangers and I start packing them into my packing cubes. So these are my packing cubes. You can get packing cubes on Amazon, you can get them literally everywhere. Walmart even has them. These ones are from TUI. I got them when I got my suitcase. I have two kind of medium-sized ones. I think there's still one size up from this. And then this is the smaller one. So now I'm just going to roll and fold and put everything into these packing cubes.
Yeah, we are in the place to be.
So these two have my clothes in them. This one has my bathing suit, underwear, pajamas, stuff like that. So that I'm just going to put right there on top. Okay, so first let's pack our shoes. Now pretty much no matter where I'm going, unless I'm going somewhere cold, I normally pack one pair of flats, which are these new jelly flats that I got from Ferragamo. If you haven't seen my shoe haul, then I'll leave that down below and up in the card so you can check all the new shoes out that I got. And I like to put my shoes in dust bags just because you never know what you're picking up on the floor, no matter where you're going, and you just don't want to bring that in your suitcase and bring that home all over everything. And then I also always like to bring a pair of heels because You never know when you're going to go out for dinner or something like that, and it's always just good to bring a nice neutral pair of shoes. So always bring a pair of flats and always bring a pair of heels. And then I normally bring also a pair of sneakers, and those I normally wear on the plane, so they don't actually have to go in my suitcase. They're normally the most bulky anyways, but they're also the most comfortable, hence why I wear them on the plane. So it's nice to only have to bring 2 pairs of shoes in your suitcase. Now here's something that is going to be a little bit tricky is I want to bring this floppy hat since we will be going to the pool and stuff like that, and it'll be really warm, and I never really get to wear it here anyway, so I want to bring this. And something I always bring is a Louis Vuitton scarf, because I can use this as a blanket on the plane, I can use it as a shawl, or even just as an actual scarf. So I always, no matter where I'm going, I always bring this with me. Most times I don't even end up using it, but it's just nice to have in case I need it. And I'm going to stuff it in the hat part so that this hat doesn't get too wrecked. Now I'm going to put it on this side with all of my accessories, and I should have put it in before my shoes. So I'm going to put it in like this, and then put everything around it. So this hat is pretty resilient, it should be fine, but so since I am traveling in a carry-on, most of my products have to be quite small and they have to be in a separate bag. So this toiletries bag isn't really full, just kind of has my toothbrush, hairbrush, blister band-aids, stuff like that. So I'm just going to lay that in here. Always kind of have to do a little jigsaw. You might have to move some things around to see what fits best, but normally this will just fit right on here like this. And yeah, that's really it that I pack with me in here. So we can close this side up. Fits no problem. This side has all my clothes. Now if you notice, I didn't put any handbags in here, and that's because I try my very best to only bring one handbag, and that also has to be my little personal item on the plane. So I bring my suitcase and whatever handbag I'm bringing, and if I'm bringing my laptop, then I normally just unzip my suitcase ever so slightly and slide it in here, and then that way it's easy to pull out when I'm going through security and to use on the plane. So that's where my laptop goes if I'm bringing it. I'm not bringing it this trip, so that's easy. And this is going to be my handbag slash my carry-on handbag as well. So this is my Chloe Drew bag. I think this is just a perfect bag. I can wear it in the day, I can wear it at night. It'll be perfect for the plane. It'll fit everything I need, and it'll be super cute with every outfit since it's nice and neutral. I do love to bring my big Bose earphones that go over the ears, and they're noise canceling, and then that way I can, you know, listen to an audiobook on my phone or watch a video on my phone, or normally the airports supply you with tablets that have a bunch of movies on them, so I always go for that. And then I can bring these, but these don't really fit in my handbag, nor do I want to carry them in my handbag. So I use this little front pouch here, and I just slip them in here. And then what else I do, and then I also use this pouch for my liquids that have to be pulled out at security, because you don't want to be going through your suitcase trying to find them, and I don't want them to take up space in my purse. Also, they're outside of your suitcase, so if something happened and things exploded, they're not going to get on all your clothes and in your suitcase. So I like to put that in there as well. So I hope you guys found this video interesting. I know I love watching, you know, what to pack for this destination or this destination. So I hope you guys have found this video interesting, and maybe you got a tip out of it. And yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye!